So not wasting any time, we're starting off with blow dried hair that's been sectioned off already. I started using some water because my hair was dry and I needed to moisturize my hair to make sure that I could do the style as easy as possible. So I do smaller sections and detangle, apply some leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature, as well as my Aunt Jackie's Curlala Defining Custard, just to give my hair some slip. Then I followed up with my Eco Gel, and that is pretty much to give it some hold. So starting off the style, I make sure I smooth the hair by detangling and then apply the Eco Gel. Starting from the roots, I twist to the end of the hair, so from the root to the end, and you twist in whatever rotation you want to do it, as long as you do it from the root to the end, and try to do it as tight as possible. And that's pretty much how I did this finger coil. So it's not hard, it does take a little bit of time. This took me approximately 1.5 hours to do my entire head. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video to see how I do this style. Okay, so pretty much this is how it looked when my entire head was completed. The curls were of course still wet. I did do a blow dry because I didn't want to air dry. I had somewhere to be, and this is how it looked after I blow dried the hair. So what I did was to separate the curls just to make sure the hair looked a little bit fuller, because I wanted my hair to look a little bit more puffy. So I separated the curls to my liking and twisted them just so they didn't come out too frizzy. And then I lifted my roots using my pick, my afro pick, and yeah, so I just played around with it until I liked it. Then I wanted the front to look a little bit different, so I messed up the curls a little bit, not too much, and I used some Eco Gel and I slicked the front down with my toothbrush that you guys always see me using. And pretty much that's how I did this style. This is how it turned out. I think it could have been better, but it's alright, not too bad. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think of this style in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.